Have you ever met someone who barely says anything, but still feels incredibly attractive? They're not the loudest in the room. They're not trying to impress anyone. But somehow, people notice them, respect them, feel drawn to them. So what's going on? How can someone be so attractive without even talking much? The answer is simple. It's not about what they say. It's about how they are. Most people think attraction comes from talking more, being funnier, or trying harder to be liked. But psychology shows something very different. The more you try to impress people, the less attractive you often become. And the people who seem the most attractive, they're usually doing the opposite. This idea connects deeply with a powerful book called The Laws of Human Nature by Robert Greene. One key insight from the book is this: people are constantly reading your behavior, not just your words, your energy, your reactions, your presence. And the less reactive you are, the more powerful you appear. Here's why. When you don't feel the need to prove yourself, you signal confidence. When you stay calm instead of reacting quickly, you signal control. And when you're comfortable in silence, you signal strength. That's what makes someone mentally attractive. Not noise, not attention-seeking, but presence. So how do you actually become this kind of person? Let's break it down. First, slow down your reactions. Most people react instantly. They interrupt. They rush to respond. But mentally attractive people pause. They listen fully, then respond calmly. That small pause, it shows confidence. Second, stop trying to impress. The more you try to prove your worth, the more people feel it, and it creates pressure. Instead, focus on being comfortable with who you are. People are naturally drawn to those who don't need validation. Third, master eye contact and body language. You don't need many words if your presence speaks. Stand relaxed. Make steady eye contact. Don't fidget. Your body can communicate confidence better than any sentence. Fourth, be okay with silence. Silence is uncomfortable for most people. That's why they rush to fill it. But silence is powerful. When you're calm in silence, you stand out instantly because it shows you're not trying to be liked. You're just comfortable. And that's rare. Finally, control your emotions. This is one of the strongest signals of mental attraction. Anyone can stay calm when things are easy. But when something goes wrong, when someone disagrees, when things feel awkward, that's when your real presence shows. If you stay grounded, you instantly become more attractive, because emotional control equals strength. So remember this: attraction isn't about talking more, it's about reacting less. It's about being calm, present, and in control. And when you master that, you don't have to chase attention. It naturally comes to you. If this video made you see attraction differently, subscribe, because the more you understand human behavior, the more powerful you become.